A tornado watch has been issued for several areas, prompting concerns for public safety. The National Weather Service has warned of a high risk of tornadoes, and residents are advised to take necessary precautions. This is not a drill, and everyone in the affected areas should be on high alert. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story, and follow all instructions from local authorities. Remember, your safety is the top priority. We will keep you updated as more information becomes available. In the meantime, stay informed, stay safe, and stay tuned to NexaBrief for the latest news and updates.